And I talked before about single sign-on. That's really what makes all of this stuff work. So if I go to mail.google.com/a/sosman.org, this is my G Suite tenant that I pay for. When I browse to that, watch what happens. It redirects me to login.microsoftonline.com. And from here, I see my company's background image. I see their logo. I see some verbiage here that my company has. This is really, really important. And the reason why is it's really two reasons. The first reason is this is a great way to train my end users to understand when they click on that phishing link in a phishing email, if they see something other than my company's background or logo, that might not be the right website. So don't type in your credentials. The second reason why this is important is this gives you a way to standardize your login to all of these cloud services that you use on a daily basis. And that makes it really easy for users to adopt. And because the last thing they want to do is have to sign in and remember all these different credentials. And this gives you a way to just kind of standardize all that. And this is something that Agile IT can help you work on to be able to standardize these photos and logos. So I'm going to sign in here. And this is me trying to sign into Gmail or G Suite rather. So I'm going to approve my multi-factor authentication request here on my watch, and it's going to sign me into G Suite. Now, when I get signed in, watch what happens. So going a little bit under the hood here, but up in this address bar, look where it's going. It's actually going to a Microsoft data center here. On microsoft.com.cas.ms, and look what it shows here. It says access to G Suite is being monitored. For improved security, organization allows access to G Suite in monitor mode. So this is telling me that I can only access this from a web browser, and there's policy behind this. And one of the policies is actually preventing me from downloading a file locally. So if we play out a scenario here for a moment, let's say you're traveling and you log in from an airport kiosk or the computer at the lobby of the hotel, or maybe just personal computer at home. Well, that computer is not managed by your company. It's not managed by Agile IT, and it's not managed by just IT in general. So you really don't want to have to download data to that computer because you don't know where it's going to go. You don't know who's going to see it. Well, here I'm inside my G Suite email here. If I click on an email and I go to download an attachment, so here I have an attachment, it's a PowerPoint. If I go to download this, watch what happens. Boom, download blocked. Downloading killchain.pptx, the PowerPoint, is blocked by organization security policy. I cannot download it at all. Now you're probably wondering what's this down here at the bottom. Well, that is actually just a little text message here. It's saying the file was blocked, and I have some information I could pass along to the help desk if I have any questions. But that's pretty big. I cannot download corporate sensitive data onto any computer that's not being managed by my company. And so this really opens up the door for really new possibilities. And this is all made possible through Cloud App Security, what I just showed you, which is part of Microsoft 365. And this is just one of those policies that I talked about. So really interesting stuff here.